Is your jockey wheel starting to look a little bit like this, or has it got damaged? Did you know you can buy replacement wheels, whether it be the pneumatic with the soft tyre or the Alco hard wheeled tyres? They're really easy to replace. All you do is open the clamp up, take your old one out, get your new fitting assembly, just slot it straight on, tighten it up, and there you have it. Whether it be a pneumatic wheel or a solid wheel, don't be struggling with anything that's damaged. Just get a brand new one. Makes your camping experience much easier. Don't forget, if you like our videos of awnings and accessories, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel.